Hey YouTube, Alex Conley here, and I thought I would show you guys around my hotel room at the Orussey Hotel here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. The Orussey Hotel is right next to the Orussey Market, and it's in central Phnom Penh, not too far from the Riverside neighborhood I stayed in my first visit to Phnom Penh last month. But why don't we go ahead and get into the room tour. This is the standard room. I believe it's a king size bed, and it's not their business suite, so it's their standard room. What you'll get if you ask for just a standard room here at the Orussey. So we'll go ahead and start off, and we'll show you that they do have the card system that I've talked about in some of my previous videos, where you'll get your room key and you'll insert it into this slot over here, and that will power up everything. So if you pull this out, it'll cut the power to your room. So this is a room in which you won't be able to charge things while you're gone, but it's a great value. I think I'm paying around 1,700 points per night, and I really like it. It's got a beautiful view. I believe I met the owner last night. He was really friendly. We chatted for a while. The front desk people are really polite. They helped me exchange some larger bills for some smaller bills. It's a great location in central Phnom Penh. Easy to get to different locations in the city. Easy to catch a pass app, tuk-tuk, and all that. And so we got this thermometer here. I don't think that this one is working. I think that this is actually not in use, because we have an air conditioner up here in the upper right corner, if you can see right there. But we'll go ahead and get into the furniture. Here we've got this standard cabinet. It's actually pretty large. I would say it's bigger than standard. They've got space here for your luggage, space up top for additional luggage. They've got some hangers right here if you're hanging any like nice clothing, suits, dresses, anything like that. That's right on the immediate right when you come into this room. So down here they've got this just regular trash can. Some more storage space. They've included 2 pairs of slippers. That's one of the pairs. The other pair is, I think, in the shower room. They've included 2 pairs of these sandals to wear in the room, so you're not wearing your shoes in the room, which is typical in Asian countries that I've spent time in. Here we've got a Chong brand television set. For those who don't know, haven't been watching my videos, this is your first time. I'm not super big on watching TV, so I haven't tried it out yet. But if that's something you're interested in, this looks to be about a 32-inch television. Maybe it's like a 27-inch TV. It's somewhat hard for me to eyeball, and I don't carry measuring equipment, but decent size for being here on vacation and visiting. So underneath here, there is not a refrigerator. I'm not sure if the other rooms do have that, but that's one thing to think about if you are in this standard room here. Over here they've got a place to heat up water for your tea, and that's, for the people that enjoy drinking tea, that's a really nice addition. One of my favorite things about this room is this desk here. It's really nice to be able to have a desk if you're trying to get things done. I mean, this isn't a business room, but they're still thinking about that by having this furniture here, and I find that to be really convenient. For somebody like me that's a student, I've got classwork to do. I like to be able to kind of section off part of the room to get things done, so I'm not just like laying on a bed trying to work. I just don't feel as productive when I'm doing that. So it's nice to have this space to get things done. Plenty of plugs also. We got 2 right here, 2 over here by the nightstand, 2 over there by the other nightstand. There's also 2 in the bathroom. Plenty of places to plug in electronics, which I find to be really nice, because I've got like 5, at least 5 devices that I charge. I've got my phone, laptop, headphones. I've also got a power bank, and then I've got camera batteries that I charge. So it's really nice to have these different places to plug it in. So normally the bed would be made, but I slept in it last night, so they did a very nice job of making the bed when I came in. The room was freshly clean. The bed was made. We've got 2 pillows here that are very comfortable. I found the bed to be comfortable. Pretty standard nightstand here. That's one of my snacks from Japan, Tokyo Banana. They've got a copy of the Yellow Pages here and a Panasonic brand phone. You need to call the front desk. They've got you there. What else? I had my shoes. Here's the remote for the higher brand air conditioning unit. They've got cool, fan, dry, temperature control, sleep mode, lock, etc. Pretty standard stuff. Here they've got a couple of the buttons for the light fixtures. I really like these actually that they've got here. They've got one on the left and one on the right, and those are really nice. Like if you're trying to wind down in the evening but you're not quite ready to turn the lights off, you don't have, like in some hotel rooms they have these big harsh overhead lights. You don't have that. These lights are really nice because you can just relax, and maybe you want to read the newspaper or perhaps browse the internet for a bit, and then you don't even have to get out of bed. You just reach over and you can flip the switch and turn them off. So I find that to be just like really nice touch. Something that I really like about the Orussey Hotel. So kind of moving on. So we'll show you the bathroom before we wrap up. Just the standard bathroom. They've got the wash tool. Here they've got a couple of glasses for water, and they've included a comb and a couple of toothbrushes, towel, and then they've got a couple of the smaller towels. This is where I plugged in my power bank. And then here's the shower. I really like this shower. It's got this nice heavy door. Body and then hair shampoo are included. And they're doing this thing that I really like. I've been talking about at several hotels I've stayed at in Asia, where they, instead of giving these individual use soaps, they include these multi-use devices. So they're not creating a bunch of extra plastic waste by having these individual body and hair soap freebies. And they have to with the toothbrush. Like some people might say, oh, well, they've got these single-use toothbrush here. Well, you're not supposed to share a toothbrush with anybody. So if you're in a situation where somebody suggests reusing a toothbrush that somebody else used, I don't agree with that. Don't do that. It's not hygienic. But yeah, I'm enjoying this hotel. I could very well extend my stay. I'm trying to figure out basically what this indefinite hiatus is looking like. I'm sticking around Asia for a while because of the coronavirus. I don't want to risk flying and catching something and bringing it back where I'm from. So for now, I'm here at the Orussey Hotel. Fortunate to be staying in this nice place, gorgeous view of the city. A lot going on in this neighborhood, very convenient, and definitely recommend it. And I'll talk to you guys soon.